Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm your guide to all things LinkedIn, and today we're tackling a common frustration: how to find your draft posts on LinkedIn in 2025. Whether you're a social media manager, job seeker, or just someone building their professional brand, knowing where your unfinished posts are hiding can save you tons of time and stress. Let's dive right in with a simple, step-by-step guide. First, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account on either the website or the mobile app. We'll start with the desktop version for ease. Once you're in, head to your homepage and look for the Start a Post button at the top of your feed. Click on it, and you should see a Drafts section pop up, where LinkedIn stores all your saved but unpublished content. If you're on the mobile app, which is super handy for on-the-go updates, open the app and tap the plus icon usually found at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to the post creation area, and there should be a tab or folder labeled Drafts. It's often right next to options like Create a Post or Articles. Sometimes, drafts might be tucked away in your profile. Go to your profile page by clicking your photo in the top navigation bar, then select Posts from the menu. Scroll through or use any filters available. Your drafts could be listed there as well. LinkedIn has been updating its interface, so in 2025, you might notice a more streamlined Content Hub feature. Keep an eye out for that. A quick pro tip: if your drafts aren't showing up, ensure your app is updated to the latest version or clear your browser cache on the website. This usually fixes any glitches. There you have it. Finding and managing your draft posts on LinkedIn is straightforward once you know the spots to check. Give it a try, and you'll be posting like a pro in no time. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and LinkedIn hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.